Hello, highly esteemed viewers. Can you solve for x in this exponential equation? 4 to the power of 1 divided by x minus 6 to the power of 1 divided by x equal to 9 to the power of 1 divided by x. I want you to pause this video a little and try this question, and then come back to see how we'll solve this question. Don't worry, at the end of this video, you are going to see the perfect solutions to this exponential equation. But then, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also remember to click the bell icon so that you can get an update of our video once they are uploaded daily. Now let's solve this question. To solve this question, we'll first of all simplify this question. And to simplify this exponent equation, I think the best thing to do is to either divide both sides by any of those values. Now, I want to choose to divide both sides by 9 to the power of 1 divided by x. That will help me release the right hand side and make the right hand side to be equal to 1. Now let's have 4 to the power of 1 divided by x divided by 9 to the power of 1 divided by x minus 6 to the power of 1 divided by x divided by 9 to the power of 1 divided by x, and that will be equal to 9 to the power of 1 divided by x divided by 9 to the power of 1 divided by x. This whole value will give me 1. So if we arrive at this, we're going to have 4 divided by 9 all to the power of 1 divided by x, since they have same power, minus 6 to the power of 9, 6 divided by 9 all to the power of 1 divided by x, and this will be equal to 1. Fine. So what do we do next? Having seen this, you come to realize that there is something perfect, that this can be 2 to the power of 2, right? And this can be 3 to the power of 2, all to the power of 1 divided by x. We'll simplify that. And you come to know that 3 can divide here to give you 2, and 3 can also divide here to give you 3. So that will give you 2 divided by 3, all to the power of 1 divided by x. Perfect. So gradually we are reducing this equation. So having done that, the next thing you come to see is that in indices, you can have we can have this value that if a to the power of 2 is multiplying 1 divided by x, remember this power will multiply, and that will give you a to the power of 2 divided by x. Good. That's what we're going to do. But this time around, we are going to look at how we will bring this fraction in. Now, if a to the power of x, 2 times x is equal to this, that means this can still be equal to a to the power of x all squared. Now, we can apply that to this fraction here. And if we apply that there, we are going to have this value to be what? 2 divided by 3 to the power of 1 divided by x all squared minus 2 to the power 2 divided by 3 all to the power of 1 divided by x, and this will be equal to 1. Now, if you come to look at this properly, you come to see that we are gradually arriving to a quadratic equation. So all we simply need to do is to let 2 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 1 over x to be equal to y. That will help us simplify this equation. So if we simplify this equation, we are going to have this to become y squared minus y, and that will be equal to 1. So if 1 comes over this other side, we're going to have y squared minus 1, y minus 1 equal to 0. Now remember this, we're going to apply it at the end of the equation. Now, having gotten this, a quadratic equation, we're going to solve this equation quadratically. And to solve this equation quadratically, we're going to apply the quadratic formula, which says y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. If we apply that here, we're going to see that our a is equal to 1, while our b is equal to minus 1, and then our c is equal to minus 1. If we apply that here, we'll have our y to be equal to, this in total will give us 1 plus or minus square root of, this will give us 1 plus 4, and this will be divided by 2. And this generally will give us our y to be equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. This solution will now give us 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2, or it can give us 1 minus square root of 5 divided by what? 2. Now, this is a golden root. Now, we're going to look at these two solutions. If you look at these two solutions properly, you'll come to see that root 5 definitely is greater than 1. And so that means this, if you solve this, you're going to have a negative value. And since it's going to give us a negative value, that means this solution will give us a non-real solution, which is an imaginary solution. And as a result of that, we're going to neglect this solution. And then we'll work with the other solution, which will give us a real value. So with that, we can have our y to be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Recall that we'll have our 2 divided by 3 to the power of 1 divided by x equal to y. So if we apply that here, we are going to have 2 to the power of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 1 divided by x to be equal to 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Now, to solve this equation, we're going to take the logarithm of both sides. We're going to take the logarithm of both sides. So if we take the log of both sides, this will give us log of 2 divided by 3 to the power of 1 divided by x equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So according to the laws of logarithm, this comes here to give us 1 divided by x log 2 to the power of 3. This will be equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So this will give us, if we divide both sides by log of 2 divided by 3, that will give us 1 divided by x equal to log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, all divided by log of 2 divided by 3. Now we're going to take the reciprocal of this. If we take the reciprocal of this will give us x to be equal to, this will be inverted to give us log of 2 divided by 3, all divided by log of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So if we simplify this equation, we are going to get the value of s as the solution to that exponential equation. So we can simplify the equation further to give us x equal to log of 2 minus log of 3 divided by log of 1 plus root 5 minus log of 2. Solve this equation and then we'll get the value of x that satisfy that exponential equation. This is all I have for you for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I do appreciate your sticking to my channel. Share this video with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting simplified mathematics Olympiad questions. Thank you.